What's the meaning of boat people? Boat people. Boat people.
Boat people. Boat people. The term boat people refers to refugees who flee their home country by sea in order to seek asylum or escape persecution. This phrase became well known during the 1970s and 1980s when thousands of Vietnamese people fled their country by boat in the aftermath of the Vietnam War. Since then, the term has been used to refer to individuals from various regions who have undertaken dangerous sea journeys in search of safety, including Rohingya Muslims from Myanmar and Syrians fleeing the civil war. Often, these journeys are undertaken in overcrowded and unsafe vessels, putting the lives of those on board at risk. The term boat people highlights the plight of refugees who take such perilous journeys, often without having other options available to them.